Your home is far more than just a collection of walls, floors, and furniture. It is the physical space where your mind finds rest. Your body seeks comfort. Your spirit recharges after a long day in the outside world. Zen philosophy teaches that our external environment reflects our internal state. When you walk into a room filled with clutter, disarray, forgotten items, it mirrors a mind that is restless, overwhelmed, struggling to find clarity. Conversely, a space that is organized, intentional, thoughtfully arranged, promotes profound calm, focus, inner peace. This doesn't mean your home must be a sterile museum. Life is beautifully imperfect. Our homes can show that. Corners where life happens. A child's play area brimming with colorful toys, a creative desk scattered with the tools of a passion project, a stack of books waiting patiently by your favorite chair. Think of your home as a garden. It needn't be flawlessly manicured. A garden requires gentle, consistent care. Before you reach for a cleaning cloth or pick up a broom from its resting place, I invite you to simply pause. Stop for a moment, right where you are. Close your eyes if you feel comfortable, and take 3 slow, deliberate breaths. Before you begin, you might light a simple candle or open a window to let in the breeze. This initial pause is not a waste of valuable time. It is a profound investment in the quality of your day. You are consciously choosing to move with intention rather than on autopilot. This simple act of slowing down transforms cleaning into a mindful, deliberate practice of care. In many Eastern traditions, simplicity is not just an aesthetic choice. It is a profound form of care and a direct path to mental clarity. The philosophy suggests that every object within our home should have both a designated place and a meaningful purpose. When an item has no space to call its own or no longer serves a true function, it can begin to weigh on the energy of our environment. When you approach organizing, you can transform it into a quiet moment of deep reflection. Turn decluttering into a meditation. Pick up a single object, hold it gently in your hands. Take a moment to consider it, then ask, does this item contribute to my peace or the life I wish to cultivate here? If yes, welcome it back with gratitude. Find a proper home for it. If no, silently thank it and allow it to follow another path. Notice how you feel when you let go of items you no longer need. Often, a sense of lightness and freedom follows. You don't have to tackle the whole home. Start small. Choose one drawer, one shelf, or a small corner to begin. Organizing a single area can elevate the energy of an entire room. It's as if the space can take a deep, cleansing breath, and you can breathe more easily too. Surround yourself only with things that bring a sense of calm, utility, or joy, creating a home that nurtures your spirit. There exists a vast difference between cleaning on autopilot, with your mind lost in 1,000 distracting thoughts, and cleaning with mindful presence. Focus your entire attention solely on what you are doing. Notice the texture of the surface beneath your hand, the gentle sound of the broom against the floor. When I find myself feeling very anxious, I have a habit of beginning to tidy a space. When your attention becomes anchored in the present moment through a physical task, anxiety often loses its power. Not all mess needs to be fought against. You can create specific, designated spaces where a certain amount of disorder is welcome. A drawer for small, loose objects, a designated corner for toys, or a creative desk that breathes with ongoing projects. The key is to set clear and gentle limits. It's almost like a gentle rotation. Today, the creative chaos lives here. Tomorrow, it may move there, but always with intention. When you wipe down the kitchen table, you are honoring the many meals shared there. When you sweep the floor, you are caring for the path your loved ones walk every day. Try changing your internal monologue from the heavy feeling of "I have to clean" to the lighter thought of "I get to care for this space." The true difference lies in the quality of attention you bring to the simplest gestures. Clean to be completely where you are, doing exactly what you are doing. Your space becomes more than just a house. It becomes a small sanctuary, where your mind can find its moments of rest. Find what resonates with you. Perhaps only 1 or 2 of these ideas will be useful, and that is more than enough.